I'm hungry.
We can only wait until mommy calls us.
Food ready! Food ready!
Run faster!
Yum 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 yum. Food is very yummy. Mommy made a very delicious food. Today food is very yummy.
Yeah, I believe it is.
Oh, mommy, I'm very sleepy today. Okay, take some rest, my baby. Yum 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 yum. Yummy.
Hey, what are you doing?
I can fight back. Bah. What the guys are doing? I'm feeling very itchy today. This tree is a savior.
Oh, you wanna fight again? Let's go then.
Oh, scratching the back is such a relief. It's so comforting. It's time to go home, buddies. Hey, let's play something. I'm feeling so bored. Okay, I think we should play football.
Today I'm feeling very angry. I hope no one will come in front of me.
Hi, if you like our vlog, please like, share and please subscribe to our channel so that we will upload more of entertaining content for you. Bye bye.